Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new video. I'm Daisy. Today, I will teach you how to design DIY labels for t-shirts and personalized products easily and quickly with Canva. This tutorial is perfect for giving a professional and unique touch to your products, whether you have a clothing brand or you personalize items. Let's open the Canva program. Then, here in the search bar, we are going to type clothing labels. And here you will find a great list of very nice designs that you can customize with your information. And not only with the information, but you can also personalize them to your liking and give them your personal touch. Scroll down until you find the one that best suits your needs. I'm going to select this one. Then, I will click here where it says Customize. Here, I already have it in Canva. Now let's personalize it. We can leave it as it is and just add our information, but we can also give it our personal touch. I'm going to start by changing the information. Now here we add our information or our brand, and here we can add our website, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And here we can add where it was made. We can put made with love or handmade or something similar. Now we could print it just like this if we want something super quick, but we could also continue customizing it. We could change the font. I'm going to change the font and choose a nice one. I'll change it to one called Poppins. I'll also change the font for this other text. I'll click here to change it to lowercase. Then, just like we did before, I'll search for a calligraphy style font. I'll type calligraphy here. Canva has a great variety of very beautiful free fonts. I'm going to use one called Magenta. I'll type it in because I can't see it. I'll change the size, and I notice that the letters are very spaced apart. I'll click here where the arrow says spacing, and I'll bring them a little closer together. There we go. I'll make it bigger and place it down here. Now, I'll change the color. I'll select it, click here where the A is, then click the plus sign, the circle with the plus sign, and I'll choose a pink shade or any color you prefer. Let's see. I'll go with turquoise. I'll also change the color of this one to pink, and this one to turquoise as well. And now we have our first personalized clothing label. This is the simplest one we can create. Now, I'll show you how to create another one that is a little more elaborate, with a design. Here, I have this other simple one, but we are going to add color and a very nice design. I'll also show you how to create your own QR code and insert it here. You can add a design that matches your business, or if you already have one, you can insert it here. I'll add a floral design. I'll go to Elements and type floral border. Then I'll select Graphics and find a very pretty floral border, preferably one that allows me to change the color. I like this one, so I'll place it here at the top. Very nice. Now, I'll insert another one to place next to the L or the size. I'll use one that has the same flowers. Canva is giving me some recommendations. I like this one, so I'll place it here. I'll resize it and adjust it around here. Then I'll select it, and as you can see, here is the color palette of the design. I'll select it, click the orange color, and change it to pink. Then I'll change the yellow to a pale pink and the other, orange, to a medium pink. The green I'll change to turquoise blue. I'll do the same with the other flower and change the colors. I'll also change this text to turquoise blue. Very pretty. I'll change the border color too, to a light blue. Look how nice. We could also add a solid background color. Let's go to Elements, select a square, and insert it. Then we'll resize it to fit the existing rectangle. Next, we go to the color palette and change it to our desired color. I'll choose a light sky blue. Now I'll click on Position and send it to the back. Look how beautiful. I'll also add a background to the letter L. look how gorgeous the personalized label turned out with a design. It's almost ready to print, but now I'll quickly show you how to create your own QR code and insert it here. That way, you're also promoting yourself. Let's go to the bottom left corner and click where it says QR code. Enter your website, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Then click Generate Code, Update Code, and here we have it. Now, let's paste our code here, resize it to fit within the designated square. I'll delete the one behind it. Now, I'll adjust mine here. Now, I'll highlight that here in the care instructions. You should customize it, depending on the fabric of the product, where you'll place this label. Look how beautiful the label turned out. Now that we've designed it, I'll show you how to prepare it for printing. And here, I have some others. Look how beautiful. This one looks similar to the one we just made, but with a design. Here's another one that I also customized. The templates Canva provides can serve as a guide, and then we can add our personal touch. Now that I've shown you how to design them, I'll show you how to prepare them for printing or saving them on your computer. Go to Share, then click Download. Here, under File Type, select PNG. If you have the paid membership, I recommend selecting Transparent Background. Then, click Download. Once downloaded, go to the main page, click on Custom Size, then change the units to inches, and enter the dimensions 11 by 8.5, which is letter size. Next, go to Upload and upload your file. Go to your computer's download folder, select the file, and open it. Then, insert it into the Canva canvas, resize it. The size will depend on you. I'll resize mine to 2.5 inches wide by 1.6 inches tall. Now we'll select this one, right-click, and duplicate it. Place the duplicate below the first one, then select both, duplicate them again, and continue arranging them until the page is full. Now, they are ready to print using your preferred method. Click Download and save them as PNG with a transparent background if you have the paid membership. If not, no worries. Then click Download again, find them in your download folder, and now you have them on your computer, ready to print in your preferred method. If you'd like to learn how to print these labels and transfer them to your garments, I invite you to watch my next tutorial. There, I'll show you how to print them, which method to use, and how to transfer them onto customized garments or t-shirts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create clothing or t-shirt labels with Canva. If you liked this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.